Hello and welcome to RD News Today. I am Raja Das, your host, bringing you the latest political controversy that has sparked a heated debate across the country. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has once again targeted the BJP government, this time over the ongoing Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj. She has strongly criticized the Uttar Pradesh government, calling the event a Mrityu Kumbh or Death Kumbh due to alleged mismanagement and rising casualties. Let's dive into the details. Addressing the West Bengal Legislative Assembly, Mamata Banerjee did not hold back in her criticism. She accused the Yogi Adityanath-led government of prioritizing VIPs while neglecting the safety and well-being of common pilgrims. She claimed that while special camps with luxury facilities were being arranged for VIPs, ordinary devotees were left to suffer in overcrowded areas, leading to a lack of proper medical aid, hygiene, and basic amenities. But what has made this controversy even more explosive is Mamata Banerjee's claim that the actual death toll at the Mahakumbh is being underreported. She alleged that the Uttar Pradesh government is concealing the number of casualties to avoid public backlash. According to her, hundreds of bodies have been secretly disposed of to downplay the scale of the disaster. She further questioned the lack of transparency in official records and demanded an independent investigation into the deaths occurring at the religious gathering. As expected, the Bharatiya Janata Party has strongly condemned Mamata Banerjee's remark. BJP leaders, including IT cell head Amit Malaviya, have accused her of showing blatant disrespect for Hindu religious traditions. BJP spokespersons have called this statement politically motivated and an attempt to malign a sacred festival that holds immense significance for millions of devotees. The controversy has triggered sharp reactions from various quarters, while opposition leaders and several activists have backed Mamata Banerjee's concerns about the safety. BJP supporters argue that her statement is an insult to Hindu faith. Many devotees attending the Mahakumbh have also come forward with mixed responses, some agreeing that the arrangements are inadequate, while others defending the administration's effort in handling such a massive crowd. The debate over the Mahakumbh's management and Mamata Banerjee's remark is far from over. Will the Uttar Pradesh government respond with concrete proof to counter these allegations, or will this issue escalate into a major political storm ahead of upcoming elections? We will keep you updated as the story develops. For more news, stay tuned to RD News Today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for real-time updates. See you in the next bulletin. Thank you.
মহাকুম্ভের পবিত্র জায়গাটা আমি নাকি হিন্দু ধর্মকে তাচ্ছিল্য করি আর আমি মুসলিম লীগ করি। আমাকে এই জীবনে এসেও শুনতে হবে এত সংগ্রাম করার পর যে জম্মু কাশ্মীরের টেররিস্টদের সাথে আমার সম্পর্ক আর বাংলাদেশের সাথে টেররিস্টদের সাথে আমার সম্পর্ক। আমি স্পিকার স্যার বাংলার মানুষকে বলবো, যদি প্রমাণ করতে পারেন একদিনে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী তো ছেড়ে দিয়ে চলে যাব, কিন্তু আপনি মুখের ভাষায় আপনি বিরোধী দল নেতা হিসেবে যে অ্যালিগেশন করেছেন আমি প্রধানমন্ত্রীকে চিঠি দিয়ে জানাবো এ কথা আপনি বলতে পারেন কিনা, আর যদি আমি টেররিস্ট হই প্রধানমন্ত্রী আমাকে জানাবেন।